first thing I want to say is,
I came in the door, 1984. Paint on the wall, got chased by the law. Once got sold in the face for the blow. Was never given the zone, had to create my own. As plain as the nose on my face that I placed to the stone. Had to stake my claim to the throne. Ain't no mistaking the sacred in its tone. I lead a new name by which greatness is known. Y'all act like I'm seeing it's a new sport. You're too inexperienced, your teeth are too short. Every culture has a right to passage. You wanna bypass it and sell me your practice. One for the lunch money. I don't run from you punch drunk dummies. I invite y'all to come from me. I set up shop hungry when it wasn't sunny. I'll be here long after y'all are done humping. Talk to me when you've done something other than swing back and forth from hating and nut hugging. No, all criticism isn't constructive. Some need to be destructed, just done with. And either you retire to the sideline or embrace this timeless grind with your eyes wide open. But you gon' have to earn them accolades. A&G gon' take y'all back to phase one. Yes, yes, y'all, you don't stop. I come alive, A&T, and give me what you got. Brother Ali, rock, shot the house. We most definitely, we about to turn shit out, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all, you don't dare stop. I come alive, A&T, and give me what you got. Brother Ali, rock, shot in the house. We most definitely. Y'all ain't heard nothing, I gave you your first lesson. For what you're discussing over the percussion, you'll ne'er compare to me. You appear to charity, repeating what you hear fly through the airways carelessly. The meaning get lost in translation. You a copy of the author's first page. Counterfeit money, only get it in small denomination. You'll never be prominent face of your imitation. Equal saccharin, cheap ass generic aspirin, fructose, corn syrup, Similac and shit. We used to distribute our music ourselves. Our records shouldn't even be held on the same shelf. It's bad enough they put y'all with rock the bells. Cliche the culture, we're blessed to be involved in it. Y'all are squandering it. Don't even think for a minute. By pushing limits, you can see a pond of fishing. And you will get strangled by your lines, whether you're angling or saying rhymes in due time. Send your dudes back to shoe shines and clipping coupons. Fuck you and fuck the lighter you open your brew on. You slither out from under a rock and then present yourself as something you not. The brother you jock, try true hip-hop, hustle forgot. Swinging on the first fighting motherfucker I spot. Why the fuck not? I would love nothing more than to bust about their blood clot upon spot. Three things I got, I love them a lot. Do anything to protect them from the vultures and block. Hover above them and block. You motherfuckers better not. Yes, yes, y'all. You don't dare stop
I'm just simply stating they were his enemy.
Can you get up some, who is it?
Fucking...
Who that boy?
Oh.
Who he is?
Who that boy? He that nig. Yeah, here are our nigs.
These are niggas, yo.
These our nigs.
Love these people.
That's not a racist word. That's just 3 letters jumbled together.
Yeah.
Just 6 little letters all jumbled together.